Hello, I am back with another video, this time on bond duration, modified duration, and dollar value of 1 basis point shift in the yield curve. Over the course of the next few videos, we will see in greater detail the significance of DVO1. Right now, we will see how to calculate duration using the formula that I have given here. Firstly, we need to calculate what is the return that we are earning just looking at the coupon that we receive every year and the bond price. So I'm receiving 120 rupees coupon on the bond price of 931. That is 12.88% is my return. Then I'm going to do PVIFA. Remember, it is yield to maturity raised to the power of 5. The whole thing divided by yield to maturity. PVIFA. The duration is given by RC divided by yield to maturity into PVIFA into 1 plus yield to maturity plus 1 minus RC divided by yield to maturity into the life. 4 years. I hope you remember this 4 years. We had gotten in the previous example also. Modified duration is the duration divided by 1 plus yield to maturity. 3.5. Now this is a time O. In the next small time step T1, the bonds can fluctuate in value. If the interest rate goes up by 10 basis points, then the bond falls in value. And if the interest rate drops 10 basis point, then the bond increases in value. For the life of the bond, notice its duration is much smaller. 14 years bond life, duration is 7.03, modified duration is 16.16. As I've already told you, duration signifies the average time it takes to receive the cash flow promised on the bond. We can also understand duration as the time after which we must sell the bond to hedge against interest rate risk and reinvestment risk. That is the significance of duration. Modified duration is the adjustment for yield to maturity. When we have the modified duration, we can arrive at the DVO1, dollar value of 1 basis point shift in the yield curve. Here, the observed change, the fall in the bond value is 3 rupees 26 paisa, whereas our DVO1 would give us change in YTM into modified duration into face value. Why did I put a minus sign here? That is because the relationship between the price of the bond and the yield are inversely related to each other. So the DVO1 suggests 3.5 to be the fall in the bond value, whereas the observed change is actually 3.26. Thank you.